To get rid of upper lip hair, guys, you're going to be making use of turmeric powder. Now, turmeric powder is a spice used for cooking, and it is known to be very beneficial for the skin. It helps to brighten up the skin. It works in removing unwanted hair and delaying the growth of a new one. Lemon is a natural skin lightener. It's citric in nature, and as such, combining it with turmeric and all other natural ingredients would help in removing the upper lip hair, and it will also help in leaving the skin very smooth and rejuvenated. Then you're going to be needing egg, and in this we're going to be making use of egg white, guys. Now, egg white works wonders in tightening up the skin. It glows and polishes up the skin, and it is a great remedy for removal of unwanted hair from the hair follicles, and it also helps to tighten up the skin. So it's going to help in removing the hair, and it's also going to help to tighten up the skin. And then we're going to be making use of pure gram flour. This is the name. Okay, gram flour is a vast remedy that works for the skin. It glows the skin, it polishes up the skin, and it also helps to leave the skin looking smooth. Gram flour helps in getting rid of all unwanted hair, and it also removes fine lines, pigments, and rashes. Alright, guys, so to mix this all up, I'm going to be taking 1 tablespoon of pure turmeric powder, then I would have to be squeezing in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, so I'm going to be putting in the egg whites, all right. I still have more of the egg whites here, so still be putting it in. And then putting in one teaspoon of now we're going to stir and mix the ingredients all together. Alright, since the consistency is very thick, we're going to be putting in 1 more tablespoon of lemon to liquidify this. Okay, so apply this on your upper lip hair for 3 days and all of the upper lip hair will be gone. Okay, so what you do is that you apply it and leave it for it to dry. When it dries, and then you wash it off, you're gonna notice that it's just gonna melt away the hair. Okay, you have to repeat it again. I'm gonna be using a brush to apply that. So after applying, if you have hair down here, you can also apply this. Okay, okay, so if you're experiencing dark spots too, you can also just apply this on that place. Okay, those are my 3 dark spots and it's gonna help. Okay, so after you apply this, then you would have to wait till it dries and then you wash it off. It's not going to take too long before it dries. It's going to dry really quickly. Okay, so you're going to apply this 3 days, like 3 times in 3 days. Okay, you're going to apply like today. Now you're going to apply tomorrow, you're going to apply next tomorrow, and all of the upper lip hair is going to be gone. So when it dries, then you can go wash it off. You're gonna notice that it's gonna be very, you know, it's gonna tighten your skin. Okay,